Welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to turn your Android phone into a hacking powerhouse using Termux. No root, no cost. Termux is a Linux terminal for Android, letting you run real hacking tools right from your pocket. We'll cover the top 10 free hacking tools you can install on Termux in 2026. These are the same tools used by cybersecurity pros. I'll show you what each tool does and how to use it, all for educational purposes. Remember, this is about learning cybersecurity and protecting yourself, not breaking the law. Use this knowledge responsibly and ethically. Ready to see what your phone can really do? Let's dive in. First up is Hydra, a legendary tool in the world of cybersecurity. Known as the king of brute force password attacks, Hydra is both powerful and versatile. Hydra can attempt thousands, even millions, of username and password combinations in just seconds, targeting everything from websites and email servers to remote desktops and databases. It's a favorite among ethical hackers and penetration testers because it supports a huge range of protocols: FTP, SSH, HTTP, RDP, and many more, making it incredibly flexible for different scenarios. All you need to do is feed Hydra a list of potential usernames and passwords, which you can easily create or download from the internet. Hydra then relentlessly tests every possible combination, working tirelessly to find the right credentials. Its speed comes from its ability to launch parallel attacks, using multiple threads to maximize efficiency and reduce waiting time. This makes Hydra perfect for testing the strength of your passwords and identifying weak spots in your security setup. If Hydra manages to crack a password quickly, it's a clear sign that your security needs an upgrade. Stronger, more complex passwords are a must. Installing Hydra on Termux is straightforward. Just a few simple commands, and you'll have this powerful tool running on your mobile device in no time. With Termux, you can test login security anywhere, anytime, whether you're at home, in a cafe, or even on the go. But always remember, only use Hydra on systems you own or have explicit permission to test. Unauthorized use is illegal and unethical. The real goal here is to understand how these attacks work, so you can build stronger defenses and protect your data from real threats. Think of it like learning to pick locks, not to break in, but to design better, more secure locks for everyone. Now, let's install Hydra and watch it in action as it puts password security to the test. Ready? Let's move on to the next powerful tool in our arsenal. Next up is Nmap, the essential network scanner that every cybersecurity enthusiast and professional should know about. Before you can secure a network, you need to know exactly what's on it. Nmap acts as your digital mapmaker, revealing every device, open port, and hidden corner of your network. Just give it an IP address or a range, and Nmap will uncover connected devices, open ports, and even identify the operating systems running on those machines, giving you a detailed overview. It's like having X-ray vision for your network, instantly showing you potential vulnerabilities, entry points, and weak spots that attackers might exploit. Nmap can even identify outdated software versions, which often have known exploits, making it easier to prioritize what needs patching. That's why it's the first step in any penetration test or security audit. Without a map, you're flying blind. With Nmap available on Termux, you can scan entire networks right from your phone, making it incredibly convenient for on-the-go assessments or quick checks. Want to secure your home Wi-Fi? Quickly check for unknown devices or open ports that could be leaving you exposed, all with just a few commands. For cybersecurity professionals, Nmap is an invaluable reconnaissance tool, providing the foundation for deeper analysis and defense strategies. So let's fire up Nmap and see what's really lurking on the network. Sometimes the results might surprise you. Ready to discover the next powerful tool in your cybersecurity arsenal? Let's go! Now meet Metasploit, the ultimate exploitation framework. Metasploit is a massive database of exploits for thousands of vulnerabilities, from operating systems to web apps. After Nmap finds a weak spot, Metasploit helps you launch a targeted attack. You pick an exploit, set your target, choose a payload, and go. The famous MeterPredator payload gives you deep control over a compromised system. Running Metasploit on Termux turns your phone into a portable penetration testing lab. It's more complex to set up, but the power is unmatched. For ethical hackers, it's the best way to demonstrate real-world risks. Remember, use it only on systems you're authorized to test. Let's see how Metasploit works on mobile. Next up, database hacking. Time to talk databases. Meet SQLmap, the master of SQL injection. This powerful open-source tool is a favorite among cybersecurity professionals for a reason. SQLmap automates the process of finding and exploiting SQL injection flaws in websites, making what used to be a tedious task much faster and more efficient. All you need to do is provide a target URL, and SQLmap will systematically test for dozens of different vulnerabilities, saving you hours, if not days, of manual work and guesswork. If it finds a weakness, SQLmap can go deep. It can enumerate databases, list tables, and even dump sensitive data like usernames, passwords, emails, and more, exposing the true extent of a site's vulnerabilities. In some cases, SQLmap can even escalate its access to obtain a command shell on the server, giving you direct control and the ability to run system commands remotely. With SQLmap available on Termux, you're not limited to desktops. You can audit web applications and test for vulnerabilities right from your Android phone, anytime, anywhere. It's a must-have tool for bug bounty hunters, penetration testers, and anyone serious about web security. Its automation and depth make it invaluable for both professionals and learners. Use SQLmap to uncover and fix critical vulnerabilities before attackers do, helping to secure your applications and protect sensitive data from breaches. Remember, always use SQLmap responsibly. Only test sites you own or have explicit permission to audit. Unauthorized testing is illegal and unethical. Now, let's run SQLmap together and see what kind of vulnerabilities it can uncover in a real-world scenario. Next up, we'll scan web servers for hidden dangers and see how SQLmap reveals weaknesses that might otherwise go unnoticed. Stay tuned. We're just getting started. More powerful tools and techniques are coming up in the next segment. Now, let's focus on web servers with Nikto. Nikto scans web servers for thousands of known vulnerabilities and misconfigurations. It checks for outdated software, dangerous files, and default admin pages. Nikto gives you a clear report of everything it finds, making it easy to fix issues. It's perfect for web developers and admins to secure their sites. Running Nikto on Termux means you can scan your site anytime, anywhere. It's fast, thorough, and user-friendly. Use Nikto to find and fix problems before attackers do. Let's scan a server and see what Nikto uncovers. Next up, installing tools the easy way. Installing tools one by one can be a hassle. Enter ToolX. ToolX is an installer that gives you access to over 370 hacking tools with a simple menu. It's like an app store for Termux, making setup a breeze. Browse categories, pick a tool, and ToolX handles the rest. It includes everything from password crackers to web scanners. Even beginners can use it. Just type numbers to navigate. ToolX saves you hours and helps you discover new tools. For anyone starting with Termux, install ToolX first. Focus on learning, not troubleshooting installs. Let's check out ToolX and expand your hacking toolkit. On to the next tool. Now, let's talk social engineering with SocialFish. SocialFish creates convincing fake login pages for popular sites, perfect for demonstrating phishing attacks. Run it on Termux, pick a site, and SocialFish clones the login page and hosts it on your phone. Send the link, and if someone enters their credentials, SocialFish captures them instantly. It even redirects the victim to the real site, making the attack hard to spot. Use SocialFish to educate others about phishing dangers, show friends or colleagues how easy it is to be tricked, and teach them to check URLs. It's a powerful way to raise awareness about online threats. Remember, use it only for training and education. Let's see SocialFish in action. Next, cracking password hashes. After a breach, passwords are usually hashed. Enter John the Ripper. John cracks password hashes using dictionary and brute force attacks. It's used by security pros to test password strength and find weak choices. Load a list of hashes, and John tries to recover the original passwords. It's smart, using usernames and personal info to guess passwords too. With John on your phone, you can test and improve your own password security. Create hashes, try to crack them, and learn what makes a password strong. It's a hands-on way to understand password safety. Let's run John the Ripper and see how it works. Next, Wi-Fi security. Let's audit Wi-Fi networks with Wifite. Wifite automates Wi-Fi hacking, testing network security with minimal setup. Connect a compatible wireless adapter to your phone, and Wifite scans for nearby networks. It tries different attacks based on the network's security, cracking WEP, capturing WPA handshakes, and more. Wifite can even exploit WPS vulnerabilities. It's perfect for showing how vulnerable many Wi-Fi networks are. Use it to test your own network and improve your defenses. With Termux, your phone becomes a mobile Wi-Fi auditing station. Let's see Wifite in action. One last tool to go. Last up is Red Hawk, an all-in-one web reconnaissance and vulnerability scanner. Red Hawk gathers info like site title, IP, server software, and owner details. It runs WHOIS, GeoIP, DNS lookups, and port scans, all in one script. It crawls for subdomains and checks for common vulnerabilities like SQL injection. Red Hawk is lightweight, easy to use, and perfect for beginners. It automates the tedious first steps of a penetration test. Use it to quickly spot obvious security issues on your own sites. With Red Hawk on Termux, you get a full web scan from your phone. Let's run a scan and see what it finds. Time to wrap up. That's it. The top 10 free hacking tools for Termux in 2026. You now have the power to turn your phone into a cybersecurity lab. Use these tools to learn, protect, and build a safer digital world. Never use them for illegal activity. Be an ethical hacker. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more cybersecurity content. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay ethical, and see you next time. Goodbye.